Welcome back to the channel. So you've got your string all filled up on the Echo SRM 225. If you've watched my video, I show how to fill this up. It's really quick, really easy. But I've gotten a lot of comments, more than I would think, on how you get the string to feed out once you've got it in there. So this is something that I kind of assumed people would know, but if you're not familiar with trimmers, you're just getting started, maybe you don't know this. So all you need to do is simply bump the head. It's actually a spring-loaded head. Let me get up close so you can see that. And what this does is when you bump that, giving the trimmer some gas, that's going to release a little bit of line from both sides. And then there's a knife right here, a little blade, and that'll trim it so your string never gets beyond this length. So really simple, and I'll actually show you here in a minute. Turn the trimmer on. While it's spinning, just bump the head on the ground. And this becomes second nature as you're going along and you're trimming. So maybe I'm going along here, just bump the head, get more string as you start to notice that the grass that you're cutting, you're not reaching out as far in that grass. Let me set the cameras up and down low and I'll show you what I mean. So really simple, just bump the head on the ground. That'll release more string. And if you've got questions, throw them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.